Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox error 268. So first things first, what you have to do is just simply reboot your computer, because after a simple reboot it mostly starts work, and for some reason it is still not working. What you can do is just simply right click on your Roblox player, then open properties, then go to compatibility. Now enable this option in compatibility mode, then click on the drop box and choose Windows 7. Now just simply click on run this program as administrator, then press apply, then OK. Then just simply try to open the Roblox and see if it is still working or not, and if it is still not working, just simply again right click on your Roblox player, then click on troubleshoot compatibility. Now try to detect any problem and we'll try to also fix it, so just simply wait for it. Now just simply click on try recommended settings. Then just simply click on test the program, and if Roblox starts, it means it is fixed. So as you can see, my Roblox has started and I can clearly say it is now fixed. But for some reason, if your Roblox is still not working, what you can do is just simply right click on your Windows icon. Then after that, just simply type appwiz.cpl, then hit OK. Now just simply search for Roblox over here. Then just simply choose Roblox player, then click uninstall. And after the uninstallation process is complete, just hit OK. Now just simply reinstall the program again by going to your browser, then search for Roblox, click on Roblox, log in to your Roblox account, then just simply choose any of the game of your liking. Then just simply hit play. Now just simply click on download or install Roblox. Then just simply download the program and install it. And after the installation process is complete, just hit OK. Close this window, and now if I play this, the Roblox open pop-up will appear, which means it is fixed. So just let me show you. Just hit open Roblox. Then your Roblox launcher should appear and the game should start shortly. So as you can see, the game has started. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.